Imagine walking into your living room and noticing your cat sitting quietly in the corner, sneezing over and over again with watery eyes and a slightly runny nose. At first you might think it's nothing, maybe just a little dust in the air. But then you notice your cat isn't running to the food bowl like usual, and they seem unusually tired and withdrawn. That's the moment most cat owners start to wonder, is this just a small thing that will pass on its own, or is something more serious going on? The truth is, cats can and do catch colds, and while it's often not life-threatening, ignoring the signs can sometimes turn a minor issue into a much bigger health problem. Cat colds, or upper respiratory infections as vets call them, are actually quite common, especially in cats that have been around other animals or in stressful environments. The symptoms look a lot like what a human cold looks like. You might notice your cat sneezing frequently, having a runny or congested nose, watery or goopy eyes, a slightly low energy level, reduced appetite, or even a mild fever. Some cats will breathe a little louder than usual or seem to prefer staying hidden in a warm, quiet spot. These signs can range from very mild to more noticeable depending on your cat's immune system and overall health. Now here is the reassuring part. Most healthy adult cats recover from a cold within 1 to 2 weeks with proper care at home. One of the most important things you can do is keep your cat warm and comfortable. Make sure they have a cozy, draft-free space to rest. Hydration is extremely important too, because a congested cat may not smell their food or water as easily and might drink or eat less than usual. Try offering warm, wet food to encourage eating, and make sure fresh water is always within easy reach. You can even place a bowl of warm water near your cat's face so the gentle steam helps open up their nasal passages a little. If you notice discharge around their eyes or nose, gently wipe it away with a clean, damp cloth or a soft tissue. Do this with care and patience, and never use harsh products near their face. Reducing stress in their environment also plays a big role in recovery, since stress can weaken their immune system and slow healing. Keep noise and disruptions low, and give them plenty of gentle attention without overwhelming them. If you found this helpful so far, please take a second to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you never miss our pet care tips, and drop a comment below telling us if your cat has ever had a cold. We love hearing your stories, and we read every single one. Now, while most colds do clear up on their own, there are certain signs that should send you straight to the vet without waiting. If your cat's symptoms last longer than 10 days, if they stop eating or drinking entirely, if they develop thick yellow or green discharge, if they start breathing with their mouth open, or if they seem to be getting significantly worse instead of better, those are red flags. Kittens, senior cats, and cats with existing health conditions are especially vulnerable and should be seen by a vet sooner rather than later. A vet may prescribe antibiotics if a bacterial infection is involved, or provide other supportive treatments to help your cat heal faster and more comfortably. A few simple tips to keep in mind going forward. Always wash your hands after handling a sick cat, keep their litter box extra clean during illness, and avoid introducing new pets into the home until your cat has fully recovered. Also, keeping up with your cat's vaccinations is one of the best ways to prevent serious respiratory infections in the first place. At the end of the day, your cat depends on you to notice when something feels off. Paying attention to those early signs and taking gentle, thoughtful action can make an enormous difference in how quickly and smoothly they recover. A little warmth, a little extra love, and knowing when to call the vet. That's truly all it takes. Your cat may not be able to tell you they're not feeling well, but with the right knowledge, you can always be there for them when they need you most.